Hey guys, welcome back to Legal Noggin. I'm Jeremy, and we're getting a lot of calls about religious discrimination. What is religious discrimination? Well, if you're seeking accommodation at work because of your faith, some people like to be able to pray while they're at work. That's something that you can do in many instances, and you should be accommodated for that, or you can seek accommodations for that, as long as it doesn't interrupt the workday at work, okay? So there's different things you have to deal with. Other people are seeking accommodations recently for vaccine issues, okay? And are those questions or are those vaccinations going to have to go through? Am I going to have to deal with a vaccination, or can I be given some kind of accommodation for it? If it's based on your faith for some reason, you can seek an accommodation for that, all right? And if they fire you for some reason, you can hold them accountable, and you need to do that by seeking out an attorney in your jurisdiction. I just wanted you to realize that you do have rights if you're a person of faith.